Welcome to Learn to Build and Build to Learn AWS IoT series. When we work in real world application, there are many things that can go wrong, and that is where in some cases we may need to reset our module programmatically. So that is where this hard reset and soft reset comes into picture. Hard reset is similar to pressing physical reset button on dev kit. It clears all the registers, memory, peripheral states, and Micropython environment. It is useful when your application needs to recover from system crash or unresponsive state. And programmatically, to trigger this hard reset, we can call machine.reset. Soft reset this Micropython environment and many peripherals that is configured using machine module, but it can keep any existing network connections that is active at IP network layer, and we can trigger this using machine.softReset code. You might have already noticed in Thorny ID there is an option called send end of file or soft reboot, Ctrl D. So we can trigger that soft reset using Ctrl D command also. And this is useful when your application need to recover from minor errors without losing all data. And another thing is Watchdog timer. Watchdog timer is very crucial component in any IoT application. It is used to detect and recover from malfunctions or unresponsive code. If you know that there is a piece of code that may take long time and that may cause the unresponsiveness of your application, there you can start that watchdog timer with some timeout period, and intermittently within your application you need to send that feed to the timer within that timeout period. And if watchdog timer does not receive any feed within that timeout period, it will assume that your application is unresponsive and it will reset your module to recover this failure. Let's go back to Thorny ID and try few reset related functions. First I will start with soft reset, and this will delete all Python objects and reset Python heap. Define a variable a equals 1. We'll use this for verification later. Import machine module. Copy machine.softReset function. Paste. And soft reboot completed very quickly and it retained that IP. Bootpy is called. MinPy is not called, otherwise we would have seen this message in the console. Let's check A. And it says name A is not defined. So this confirms that Python environment is reset after soft reset. There are different ways you can reset this module, but if you need to know about the root cause of this reset, then you can use reset_cause function. And here it says name machine is not defined because soft reset cleared the Python interpreter and that heap. Import machine. Reset cause, and it gives 5. So let's check what this 5 means. Help machine, and here we can see soft reset. You can check these same details in constants from the documentation. Here you will find all the constants defined. I find this is more convenient as it shows the number corresponding to descriptive constant name. Now we'll try hard reset. Copy machine.reset function. And you can see it started restarting. Bootpy is called. MinPy is called. And it also initiated Wi-Fi connection. Again, if you need to know that cause of this reset, you can use reset cause function. Import machine, reset cause. Now it is giving 2. And 2 means hard reset. Let's clear the shell. And now we'll move to watchdog timer. Copy these 2 lines from documentation. Paste it. So we are going to initialize this watchdog with timeout of 2000 milliseconds. So within these 2 seconds, if we do not call this feed method, then watchdog timer will start resetting this module. So hit enter. And sure enough, it started rebooting this module. Scroll up. It says task watchdog got triggered. Rebooting. Then bootpy is called. Try to initiate the Wi-Fi connection. Mainpy is called. So it is similar to pressing hard reset button. Import machine. To find reset cause, call machine.reset cause. And it gave 3. 3 means wdt reset. That's all. Next we'll talk about power related functions. It is really important to optimize power consumption of any IoT devices which are mostly battery powered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.